We are looking at a 2025 170 Sprinter. We used a Flatline Band Company front recovery bumper with a worn 12S winch. We installed BFG KO3 all-terrain tires and a 275 7017. Alvan's B2 Pro rear storage with a Monster Box 30. Benchmark garage pull-out tray on full extension, locking slides. Paragon off-road roof rack. We ordered a set of Scheelman full leather Klima seats for this van. On the inside, I think one of my favorite features of 133 was the pull-out dog bowl. This is a first for us. I thought it was a great idea. I love seeing personal touches like that throughout the builds. This one has a number of pullouts for just like your common day-to-day uses. The electrical system on this van packs 640 amp hours of Lithionics power. We also have on here the Benchmark 4-season bug and weather screens for the rear and sliding doors. We did our entry-level JL audio system on here, so a really nice JL package. Of course, the Line X treatment around the entire lower plastics and lower rocker panels really tied this van all together.